In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to Squarespace. By the end, you'll have your email marketing platform talking to your website, so you can capture subscribers and send targeted campaigns without manual work. Start by opening your Klaviyo dashboard in a browser where you're already signed in. It helps to have your Squarespace login handy as well because you'll be asked to authorize the connection. Interfaces can move around a little over time, but what you're looking for is the integrations area in Klaviyo. In the left sidebar, scroll to the bottom and choose Integrations. This is the central place where Klaviyo manages and monitors all the apps it can connect to. From the integration page, click Explore Apps. That opens the Klaviyo Marketplace, which lists all available connections. Here, locate the Squarespace listing. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar and type Squarespace to filter the results. Make sure you're selecting the Squarespace app specifically, since similar names can appear in the grid. Opening the app page will show you what the integration does and any permissions it needs. When you're ready, click Install. Klaviyo will guide you through a quick authorization flow. You'll be prompted to sign into Squarespace, then choose the correct site if your account manages more than one. Approve the requested permissions so Klaviyo can receive form submissions and site activity needed for your marketing. Keep the browser window open until you see confirmation. Closing early can interrupt the handshake between the two platforms. After installation, Klaviyo will complete a brief verification. This confirms the connection and links your Klaviyo account to your chosen Squarespace site. Once verified, you'll see a connected status back in Klaviyo's integrations area. From there, initial data will begin syncing. Depending on your setup and traffic, that first sync may take a few minutes. It's normal for some metrics and profiles to populate gradually as visitors interact with your site. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Ensure you're using an account with owner or admin permissions in both Klaviyo and Squarespace. Temporarily disable aggressive pop-up blockers during authorization, and double-check you selected the correct Squarespace site before confirming. If anything looks off, revisiting the app page and reauthorizing usually clears it up. That's all it takes. You started in your Klaviyo dashboard, went to Integrations, explored apps, selected the Squarespace listing, installed it, and followed the on-screen verification to connect. Your Klaviyo and Squarespace are now linked and ready to work together.